Hi there folks, Gordy here, and I'm in today with an unboxing of the Technet VR headset. So I got this for around about the £20 mark on Amazon, and it came within 2 days delivery, so that was great. The delivery was £4.99 and it came relatively quickly considering. So as far as VR headsets go, I've only ever had the Google Cardboard when that first came out, so it didn't have any straps. I've just downloaded a gaming app and it works with VR, so I just thought I'll get a VR headset and see how that goes. So let's get into this bad boy. So it opens relatively easy from the top. There's no seals or anything on this. It just came in a box unsealed. So as you open, you've got instruction manual with a cloth, which is very handy for a VR headset. A bagged headset. I will just take that away. And the headset itself, it does what it says on the tin, essentially. So the headset has got a clip. I did look at this online before it arrived. So the clip's here with the telephone hold just there to stabilize, and the clip nice and easy. It feels quite, I don't want to say flimsy, but plasticky, if that makes sense. So it doesn't feel very hard wearing, but considering it just needs to be loaded with the phone, there isn't really much else you need. The adjustments are here for the lenses if you want to see the lens, which I'm sure you do. The strap itself feels quite hard wearing, which is great, and the lenses do come covered up for protection, so yeah, it's very well packaged in sense. The sponge seems quite hard wearing as well, so that should be great. Not much else to say about the VR headset. There you have it. Now, a great little added touch to this headset is the front visor actually comes off. So to save you taking the headset on and off all the time, it's got magnets on the side, if you can see that, and then this will just clip straight on and pop straight off, nice and simple. Great little added feature. I know with cardboard I kept having to take it on and off all the time, and that is what you get with the Technet VR headset.